Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies with less sugar. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line a baking sheet. Cream room temperature butter with 25% less sugar. Then add an egg and vanilla. Fold in flour with 1 teaspoon baking soda and a pinch of salt. Stir in 5 ounces dark chocolate chips. Chill dough for 30 minutes and bake until edges are perfectly golden. Start by swapping ingredients to retain taste while cutting sugar. Replace half the white sugar with unsweetened applesauce and cut total sugar by 25%, keeping moisture. Use light brown sugar for its molasses flavor, add 1 extra teaspoon vanilla to amplify sweetness, and try a 50/50 blend of all-purpose and almond flour for tender texture, or add 1/4 cup of oat flour for chewiness. Small amounts of salt balance sweetness. Chill dough to control spread and concentrate flavors, especially when sugar is reduced. Use a cookie scoop for uniform size and bake at 350 degrees F for 9-12 minutes until edges set. Rotate sheet halfway, cool on a rack, and consider sprinkling a tiny pinch of flaky salt on warm cookies to enhance sweetness perception. Test one batch, adjust sugar or bake time, and store extras in an airtight container after cooling to keep texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.